Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Oraimo SpeedLink Wi-Fi Repeater using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Take your Oraimo SpeedLink Wi-Fi Repeater out of the box. Plug the repeater into a wall power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Wait about 20 to 30 seconds for the device to power on. The power LED light will turn on, indicating the device is ready. Tip: during setup, always place the repeater close to the router. Find the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router, usually labeled as WPS or has circle icon. Common locations is backside of router or side panel of the router. Press the WPS button once. Do not hold too long, just a single press. WPS LED on router starts blinking. Router enters pairing mode for 2 minutes. You must complete next step within this time. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Oraimo SpeedLink repeater. The WPS/signal LED will start blinking. This means the repeater is trying to connect to your router. Wait 30 to 60 seconds while the devices connect automatically. Once the connection is successful, the WPS or signal light will stop blinking and stay solid. The repeater has now copied your router's Wi-Fi settings. No password entry is required with WPS setup. Unplug the repeater from the initial setup location. Place it midway between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext. Select the network and connect. Now your device will use the extended Wi-Fi signal from the repeater. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.